Ever wondered why eating healthy feels so complicated? The truth is, it doesn't have to be. Clean eating is not about strict diets or cutting out everything you love. It's about making smarter, simpler choices every day. Clean eating means focusing on foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, nuts, and healthy fats. It's not about counting calories or labeling foods as good or bad. It's about choosing quality over quantity and nutrition over numbers. When you eat clean, you fuel your body with nutrients it actually recognizes, not chemicals, additives, or artificial colors. Your body knows what to do with real food. It digests it better, gives you stable energy, and supports your immune system naturally. Let's make this simple. An apple instead of apple juice, brown rice instead of white, grilled chicken instead of fried nuggets. Each small choice adds up. Clean eating isn't about perfection, it's about progress. You don't have to give up the foods you love, just find cleaner, simpler versions of them. Maybe that means baking instead of deep frying, or choosing water over soda most days. If you're finding this helpful and want quick, clear tips that make healthy eating simple, hit subscribe right now, because we've got a lot more practical nutrition wisdom coming your way. The easiest way to start? Build habits you can actually keep. Here are 3 to begin with. Shop the outer aisles of your grocery store. That's where the fresh foods live. Fruits, vegetables, meat, eggs, dairy. The inner aisles usually hide the processed stuff. Cook more at home. Even 1 or 2 extra home-cooked meals each week can change the way you eat and how you feel. When you cook, you control what goes into your body. Read labels. If a product has a long list of ingredients you can't pronounce, it's probably not clean. Stick to foods with short, simple ingredient lists. The fewer, the better. When you start eating clean, you'll notice the difference. More steady energy throughout the day, better focus, improved digestion, and maybe even better sleep, because your body thrives on real food, not processed fillers. Clean eating helps you tune in to what your body truly needs instead of following the latest diet trend. Remember, clean eating isn't about being perfect. It's about being aware. Start small, stay consistent, and make better choices 1 meal at a time. Because the truth is, healthy eating doesn't have to be hard. It just has to be real. This was FitFoodInsight, where we make healthy eating simple so you can feel your best every day.